Ready to crank up the nostalgia and give your Chrome browser a radical retro makeover? First, dive into the Chrome Web Store and search for retro themes. There are plenty of options that can instantly transform your browser's color scheme and toolbar. Browse through the results and find a theme that screams vintage to you. Look for themes that use classic color palettes, like grays, beige, or even that good old Windows 95 blue. Once you've found your perfect theme, simply click Add to Chrome. Boom! Your browser instantly sports a drastically different, old-school vibe. Next, let's install some extensions. Search the store for things like retro scroll bars or classic cursor packs to really seal the deal. These extensions allow you to customize some of the visual elements Chrome doesn't necessarily give you with themes by adding classic iconography. Just find a visually striking extension, click Add to Chrome, and immediately test to see if the aesthetics are to your liking. With a combination of themes and extensions, you can transform your modern Chrome browser into a blast from the past. Play around with different combinations to achieve your dream retro look. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, give this video a like and subscribe for more tech tweaks. Don't forget to share your retro Chrome creations using #ChromeThemes and #RetroDesign.